Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook app not working on iPhone. So first, make sure you have a stable internet connection. So go to your settings, open Wi-Fi. Then you can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue is network related. Next, completely close the Facebook app. So swipe up from the bottom of your screen or double press the home button on older iPhones. Then swipe the Facebook app away, just like so. Then reopen it and check if it's working. If that doesn't help, restart your iPhone. So a quick reboot can fix temporary software glitches that may be preventing the app from working properly. You should also check for updates. So open the App Store, click the search bar and search for Facebook, then install any available update. So running the latest version often fixes bugs and improves performance. So click update to update it to the latest version. Now, if the problem continues, go to your settings, then scroll down and go to general, then scroll down a bit and go to iPhone storage, scroll down and tap Facebook, choose offload app to remove the app while keeping your data. Click offload app again to confirm the action. Then reinstall it. So click reinstall app. So if needed, you can delete and reinstall the app completely. Also, make sure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. So go to settings, then go to general, then go to software update and install any available updates. Finally, you can check whether Facebook is experiencing a server outage. If the servers are down, you'll just need to wait until Meta resolves the issue. So one of these solutions should get the Facebook app working again on your iPhone. So if this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.